we're going to look at some circle rules. In circle geometry, if we have an angle coming off an arc, this is the arc around here, it forms this angle A here. If we take another angle off that same arc, that forms the same angle of A. Often we can see this as two pointy cat's ears. Angles on the same arc are equal. The next case is now we've got an arc, but we've got a centre of a circle. So we draw the first angle to the centre and the second angle to the circumference. The rule says angles at the centre are 2 times or twice the angle at the circumference. The next rule is a variation of this rule. We've got an arc and we've got a line across here, the diameter. This actually creates a semicircle, and it says angles in a semicircle, so there we go, the angle of a semicircle is always 90 degrees. So those are 3 important circle rules. The next one down here involves using radius. If I have a radius here and a radius here, I create an isosceles triangle. So this is base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. That's A equals A. Now if I put a line through here, a special line called a tangent line, this is always at right angles to the radius at the point it meets on the circumference. And we write this, radiant is perpendicular to tangent. Perpendicular meaning it is at 90 degrees, so we can put a little 90 degree angle in here, right there. Okay, I'll just mark that in a little bit better. The last one is where we come across quadrilaterals in circles. This is what we call a cyclic quadrilateral. All points of the quadrilateral are on the circumference of the circle. And this has 2 very important rules. The first is that the opposite angles, A and B, of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. They will add up to 180 degrees. Likewise this angle and this angle. The second rule is the exterior opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral equals the interior angle. So what that means is the exterior opposite, this little a out this side, is equal to the angle on the opposite side interior. So that A and that A are equal. The reasoning behind this is A plus B is supplementary, 180 degrees. Also A plus B, adjacent angles on a straight line, are supplementary.